down?
Yep.
We're good?
Yep.
Chilling?
Yep. Exhale up, down, controlled. There we go. One more. Good. We'll go right to the other side. Oh, we'll check the video.
We should. We really should.
Good. Using that other hand to support. Last one. Good. Let's get that right on up. To the right hand, we have unilateral overhead press.
Ow, ow, it's itching my tattoo.
Good. One.
Two.
Good. Let's get 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Good. Let's go right to that other side. Good. There we go. Waist stay controlled. Pause for a second if you need to at the top. Let that weight get stable. We'll get 3 more. 2 more. Stand up nice and straight. Last one. All right, back to that first side. 5 unilateral thrusters each way. Full squat, overhead press. Get in that front rack position. Good.
Got it.
Here we go. Good, yeah. Keep your elbow more forward at the bottom, like that, yeah. Instead of to the side on that press. 1 more. Good, we'll go to that other side.
Oh, Jesus. Sorry.
There we go. 2. Again, stable at the top. 3. 4. 5. Very nice.